before our families and before God. I walk toward you with a grateful heart. Every step I take is a reminder of how far love has carried us and how beautiful the road ahead will be.
Today I choose you, I choose your heart, your peace, your forever. And as our lives join as one, may our love remain gentle, faithful, and everlasting.
Watatala tu Alofa tu awe savali mai Lela lele le mana mea wasili tasi oila uvai Uawe usauni ute tauto atu Ele mafai ona toa tea Ese oilo unei fatu So quiet, as I walk toward you in this quiet place, I feel the love of God shining on your face.
Every breath I take brings me close to you. A promise in my heart, forever true, forever my love. It's you I choose in every gentle moment. I won't ever lose. Hand in hand we'll walk where the light falls down. Two hearts, one love, forever bound. Pea agile matagi, pea gotolela, ole au tu yo au tafa. Uatasi tawai, luma ole atua, till death do us part. Leviga ya te ia famua mua. Fa va va ole alofa uma oi, ua fiti ai